Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. So if you want to post anonymously in a Facebook group, so how you can do this? First of all, and of course, you have to download the Facebook application and log into your account. After this, just open the Facebook application, and if I found a group like this group, if I open the group and I want to post, then I have to tap on this, write something, and you can see that so there is no option post anonymously because this is not my group. You can only post anonymously in your own group. So what you have to do is you have to go to your profile icon in the top right corner and then tap on this groups. From here you have to click on this your groups, and if you haven't any group, so you have to create a group. In my case I have it, so just tap on your group. Now click on this post and you can see that there is an option post anonymously. So if I toggle this on, click on this, I want post anonymously, I will actually post, but nobody will know that I am the one who's posting. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.